Hello everyone and welcome to Slides. This is a tool and it is very important and very easy to use. This tool is mainly to create like a presentation, for instance PowerPoint presentation or something similar to that, but the only difference is that two people can collaborate in this presentation. The only limitation is that these two people can't work at the same time. It has to be like in different times, so I'm sorry for that. Well, but at least you can sign from one computer and another, and two people can collaborate even though it is not at the same time. I want to clarify that. Okay, to start you just click sign up and then you have to choose between paying these three plans or going public. So I am going to choose public, and you can log in or create an account. I have already an account and I log in using Facebook. I think that is the easiest. So I just click on Facebook, and as you can see I already have my first slides, and it is the one that we used some previous weeks ago. So I have many options. I can view this one, I can edit this one that I have, I can share it. As you can see, I embedded inside the Moodle course. Also I can make a copy or I can just delete it. However, today what I want to do is to create a new one. So I click here where it says explore. I'm sorry, my voice is a little bit different because I am a little bit sick, but I'm fine enough, don't worry. Okay, here I have some featured decks. Those are the ones that are more common or more popular or whatever, and these ones are others. All of them are free, so I can choose any that I like. And right now it caught my attention, this one that is light blue. I click there. This is a presentation that is already done. As you can see, it is already done. So I want to use this one, so I just click on make a copy, and this is the presentation. I am going to start editing, and then the website is loading, but it's going to let me edit this slide. Then I can double click, and I just write anything, and then I can edit anything that I can see. I can write here my name, for example. Okay, if I don't like this color, I can choose and change the color, for example, or I can do almost anything that I want. If I want to delete this, not to have this shade, I can do it. Just click delete in the computer. Okay, I have two options in this. Using this, I have two options. I can click here and I will get a new slide next to this one. Okay, and it is asking me how do I want it, blank or with a rectangle, or how. Okay, or another option is that I can click this here, and then also have the same offering. I can choose a blank or duplicate one or create a different one. The difference is if I want these slides to go from left to right, or if I want them to go from up to down. It is your decision mostly. To present, I think, or I prefer the more traditional way, going next to the other slide, but that's like my opinion. So I can continue writing something else here. Something else. Okay, excellent. So if you can see it, here I have the first one, here I have the second one. Let's imagine that I want to have like a video or something like that. So I just click on the video, and I am going to insert from a URL. Let's see, a video in YouTube. Let's imagine that I want to include this video. I just click copy and I paste it here. And as you can see, the video is already there. Very, very easy to do. Let's imagine that I want to include a picture. So I just click image, and these are images that I already uploaded from my computer to this website, but I can also upload other one. Let's imagine that I want to upload this one. So I just click and open it, and it is already there. Also, another option to insert an image is using the URL of the image. So you just click new slide, and well, you choose a one that has an image. You double click, and here it says select. If you have the image in your computer and you want to upload it, you just click select. If you have it on the internet, you just click this figure, this chain. And here it is going to ask you for the URL. So you go to Google Images, and then you copy the image direction here, and then you just paste it and click save. Then your image is going to be there. You can make it small, or you can make it a little bit bigger. You can do almost anything you want with this image. Also, something important is that you can add like a website or a link, so that people, when they are seeing your presentation, they just click on the image and go automatically to a website about it. Let's imagine that I want to make them read this about these horses. So I just copy the URL, put it here, and then I just click enter, and it is going to be there. As easy as that. The website also offers shapes. So you click on a shape, and here you can change it. You can make it like an arrow, or you can change the color. You can also put it a link or anything that you consider good. Okay, so when you consider your presentation is already done, and you want other person to start working on it, you just go and click the plus, and it is to add a collaborator. You just enter the email address, and you choose if this person can comment and edit, or just view and comment. It depends on you. Of course, if it is somebody that you want to edit and do stuff, then it has to be comment and edit, right? So you just click send. Once everybody add all the comments and edit everything, and you consider that it's ready, then you can preview your work just to see if it is according to what you planned. So this is the slide that we created, and I think everything works fine. Let's try the link. Remember that in this image we put a link in Wikipedia, and then it charges. Here is the link, so it is working okay. And we consider that is fine. So we just go back to the click and everything, and we go to the dashboard, and here we can see the two slides. This is the one that we created. So the only problem we can see here is the title, right? We just click and write any title that we want, and our presentation is now totally ready. We can share it, and we can use a link. We can embed it in a website or a blog, as I did on Moodle, or you can email to a friend, and that's the end. I hope you can use this tool with your classes to plan together with a coworker, or any way that you consider more convenient